Welcome to Saroj Engineering Works, Faridabad, manufacturer and supplier of drum ring locks, sheet metal, and heavy press components. The company was established in 1999 at Faridabad. State-of-the-art infrastructure and transparent business policies make us unique in the industry. International quality standards, assured quality products, and customized solutions make us the first choice of our clients. We offer a splendid range of SS brackets, drum locking, and ring lock clamps. Our SS brackets are best in the industry amongst others. We offer drum locking and ring lock clamps that are in huge demand across the global markets. Sheet metal clamps and components offered by us are appreciated amongst our clients for superior quality. Along with that, we offer industrial clamp and locking clamp for steel drum locking rings that are a class apart. We also provide precision components and industrial clamp for automobile industry that are extremely reliable. To get more information, log on at www.sarojengineeringworks.com.